All right, welcome to another edition. This is still Serious Matters with Olukunle on ONIF TV. The second thing I'm going to be talking about here is the victory of the PDP candidates of the Bayelsa state gubernatorial election that took place some months ago last year. That was the election that took place alongside Kogi State. And of course, we saw a lot of videos that showed that there were a lot of misappropriation and what have you. There were a lot of violence and, all over the place. But something had happened today, barely 24 hours to the inauguration of the governor-elect. The Supreme Court has sacked Mr. David Leon as governor-elect of Bayelsa State. That's good news for a lot of people. That's good news for a lot of people, and that's also good news to the judiciary of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That's good news. That's to say that to a very large extent, from what we have seen today from the Supreme Court, is to say that the fact that we have an APC president does not mean that the Supreme Court will not still do justice as it ought to do. And so he has sacked the APC governor as a governor-elect at Bayelsa. A 5-man panel of the Apex Court presided by Justice Mary Peter Odili nullified the election of Leon on the ground that his deputy, Senator Bio Barakuma Deji Eremeweyo, presented false information to INEC in aid of his qualification for the November 16 gubernatorial election in Bayelsa State. The Apex Court, in the judgment delivered by Justice Ejembi Eko, consequently ordered the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, to withdraw the certificate of return issued to Leon and Deji Eremeweyo. Justice Eko also ordered that INEC immediately declare the party with the highest number of lawful votes and geographical spread. With the judgment of the Apex Court, candidates of the PDP, Diri Duoye, will now be inaugurated as governor of Bayelsa State. Now, we saw a report earlier on saying that the lead pastor of the Synagogue Church of All Nations, Pastor TB Joshua, had said or had told Leon not to jubilate or give his testimony. We were aware that he went there shortly after the election and he was going to give his testimony, and the pastor said, no, don't do that. TB Joshua said, don't do that, not yet. Wait until you are being inaugurated. Now, some people are coming out to say that it was a prophecy and that it was in a way saying that your victory is not true yet. Now, some persons have come to say, which I strongly believe, that you are not supposed to jubilate until your inauguration. You are not a governor, you are only governor-elect. Quite a lot of things could still happen. But then the man of God was only saying that. But a lot of people have come out to say that it was a prophecy, and the prophecy has come out to be true. Now, no, I'm only being neutral about the whole thing. But then, this is good news for the judiciary once again. It's a good news for PDP at Bayelsa State. Of course, there were a lot of talks that former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan did not support, the PDP very well, and that's why they lost to APC. And quite a lot of talks, went on. Well, now victory has returned to PDP in Bayelsa State. I want to say congratulations at that end, but then you have opinions about this matter, about this development in Bayelsa State. Let's hear you on this matter. Now, APC Governor-elect Leon David being sacked in Bayelsa State. Thank you.